Yeah. Give you a look. That's the River Tyne there. Tynemouth. Across the river you've got North Shields. This is just a little bay, Seaham Bay. Get between them piers, you're out in the North Sea, and that's the Tyne going up there. You're about 7 miles down the coast. You've got the River Wear, which will be heading out just in a few minutes time. Not many people on the beach, as I said, it was windy. Alright, we'll head along the coast now. I've got my camera set on 2.7K and I just wonder if it's run the battery out a bit sharper because there's not much juice left in the battery and I've hardly done any filming. So if it's going to run the battery down so quick, I'll just revert to 1080p 60. That's my biggest disappointment with the GoPro. The batteries don't last 2 minutes. This is the main beach, the fun park at South Shields. Main beach is just over to the left of us, behind the fun park. Now we've got the sand dunes over there. Just beyond that's the beach. It's a nice place this when it's a lovely day. It's good today but it's slightly windy as I say. Bikers horned. Doesn't get many bikers there now. Seems to have took on the bikers from here. Which I've got enough film left, we'll be going to just now Gypsy's Green Stadium. You might recognise these fields. This is where the Great North Run finishes. Coming in the opposite direction. Some lovely walks along this coast. There's a path that goes all the way from Sunderland to South Shields. Hugs right on the coast. Like I say, it's about 7 miles from Sunderland to South Shields. A lot of bike riders, pedal bike riders come along here as well. It's the top of Marsden Rock there. Not an attraction like it used to be, and half of it fell into the water in a bit stormy weather. But nice little bird colony on it. Nice beach down there as well at Marsden. Around this corner we've got Suda Lighthouse. group of us pulled up there one day. There's a cafe there. We only wanted a cup of coffee. And he chased us, said there was nowhere for us to park. I just don't think he wanted to see. Just coming into Seaham now. Little cafe round here. And that. Quite popular cafe. Even bikers. This is coming into Sunderland now. This is Seaburn Beach at Sunderland. A few nods today. There's the beach at Seaburn. Nice popular place that as well. Promenade along there. Been revamped, this seafront, quite a bit to what it used to be a few years ago. Making a canny job of it as well. New buildings, hotels. It wasn't like this when I was a kid, but see the work still going on. But when it's finished, it should be a pleasant little place. Oh, I can smell fish and chips. Just along the top of this road we head back into Sunderland. I'll knock the camera off there and we ride along to Seaham and then roll along here. It's August now and I haven't done a lot of biking this year due to unforeseen things. But we're going to Wales on Wednesday for a couple of days. A few miles in there. I missed a trip to Scotland earlier on. Never mind. It's Roker Beach. There's Wearmouth. Right, just coming into Seaham now. Used to be 3 collieries, coal mines in Seaham. There's none left now, as it is in all the country just about. And one of them, being Tempest, was just over there, where them houses are. That's what's built on the colliery side. And there was Dordon, which was further along. and Seaham Colliery, which was a training centre which was about a mile and a half inland. And this is another place what's been really transformed. It's really popular now, and we made a canny job with this as well. This is where quite a few bikers meet along here now. That marquee is in the distance. Biker park might be shut today, in fact, if that's done. If we don't watch on today, but it's not same car, you know, because that was about 3 weeks ago. I wonder what this is. Quite a few people here today as well. Oh, road closed. The biker park is shut, so I'll have to find somewhere else.